Hi, today I'm for the TOSCIDO P101 and I'll show you how to activate always on display option on this device. Now let's check, and we could see that unfortunately we have no installed by default AD option on our tablet. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Muviz Edge app. And now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should open the app. Tap to open and click to draw our app section. Just click here to the switcher, allow display over other apps and go back to the application. Here now switch Edge lights to AD and select one from the available tabs. Just tap to apply. Got it. Tap to apply. This tab applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that the always on display option successfully activated. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.